Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down a quick study I did in Clip Studio Paint. I started directly with big color blocks instead of a detailed sketch. This helps to focus on the overall silhouette and composition right from the very beginning without getting distracted by small details. Working with large shapes first is crucial for any portrait. It allows you to establish the main masses of the hair, face, and background. Don't worry about the eyes or lips yet. Just try to see the big picture and block in the basic proportions correctly. Next, I started defining the light source. For this piece, I chose a warm light setup. This means the skin tones under the light should have rich, warm hues like peach, soft orange, and subtle yellows. It immediately gives the face a lively and organic feel. To make the warm light pop, I used cooler tones for the shadows. If your light is warm, your shadows should generally be cool. I mixed in soft blues, muted purples, and cool greens into the darker areas. This temperature contrast creates realistic depth and volume. Once the main light and shadow shapes were set, I moved on to rendering. This is where I refined the eyes, added subtle highlights to the nose, and shaped the lips. Notice how the bangs create strong graphic shadows on the forehead. Keep your brushwork simple here. Towards the end, I added some sharper edges to the hair and emphasized the eyelashes. I also kept some visible, painterly brush strokes on the skin to maintain that fresh, sketchy, study vibe. It prevents the digital painting from looking too blurred or artificial. And here is the final result. Focus on big shapes first, balance warm light with cool shadows, and don't overwork your details. That is the quickest way to improve your portrait studies. Let me know what you think in the comments and see you next time.